Hi, Kevin Byrne here with the Byrne Real Estate Group. Let's talk about what's happening right now in the marketplace of both the city of Boulder, which kind of gives you a overview of kind of Boulder County. There are micro markets. Some of the cities are certainly performing better, some worse, but it usually gives us a pretty good baseline of what's happening, and also the Denver metro area, kind of on a larger scale. So let's jump in and talk about the numbers. When we look at the median sale price right here, Boulder is right now at 1.47 million on an average sale price. That's up 11% from a year ago. That does not mean that things have trended up 11%. We're just seeing that, people are buying luxury homes. They're being very discriminate, in terms of what they're buying. We're finding houses that need more work sitting on the market longer. So turnkey houses are certainly in favor right now. So again, that may be a little deceiving, but again, we look at, who are buying in the city of Boulder. The prices are up, in terms of what people are buying. When we look at days on market, we're looking at 62 days. That's up 8.8% from a year ago. So that kind of tells us, again, things are sitting on the market longer, especially in the luxury market. Sometimes it takes a little longer to move properties. Now, when we look at the actives, this is where we see, some concerns in terms of, where the market's trending. There's 162 active homes in Boulder, and that is up almost 25% from last year. So when you look at sales, which when we look at year to date, sales are flat, and we have 25% more homes on the market. What does that mean? It means it's, probably looking at some pressure on the market to go down in pricing. So when you have, disproportionate of supply and demand, where the demand is what it was last year, and there's a huge increase in supply, that's where kind of trouble starts. So we'll see. We'll track over the next couple of months, but we've already seen, I think, when we look at August, I think we might see a little bit of a slowdown. So it'll be interesting to see the numbers when they come out. Now, when we go to the Denver metro area, a much lower average sale price. So $600,000, that's up 2% from the year before. Again, we're seeing an increase in inventory. So it'll be interesting to see, what the August numbers are. But for July, we were selling homes, very in a good fashion. We still saw more of a seller's market. We're seeing that on both markets, kind of trending more toward a buyer's market right now, just because of the supply. Now, when we look at days on market, 16 days on market, again, not a lot of days on market. So again, homes that are priced well, in good locations, in good condition, are selling very rapidly still. We're not seeing a lot of showing activity. So it might be 2 weeks, as you can see, 2 weeks to get it sold. You might be looking at somewhere between 5 to 15 showings, depending on where you're located and the price point. Now, new listings in July is up about 11%. There's 5,300, a little over 5,300 new listings just in July entering into the market. Pendings were 3,880. So again, less homes going pended versus actives. And, that will put some pressure on pricing to go down, which we've already seen. I think we'll see what August numbers are, but I think we'll see a little softening in the marketplace there, especially in the upper markets. Pending, we had 3,800, and we're down about 1%, in terms of the number of closed. So this is interesting. We're looking at weeks of inventory. So when we look at what we call absorption rates, or sales per month, we kind of say, okay, there's 10 houses for sale. 2 are selling per month in a certain market. That's 5 months of inventory. Usually around that 3 to 5 month is a very balanced market, meaning we're not seeing appreciation. We're not necessarily seeing depreciation, but you better have, well-priced property, good condition, good location, to get it sold. So when we look at 12 weeks, it's about 3 months of inventory. It's getting into that more balance, shifting from more of a seller's market into a more balanced market. And we'll see with the increase in inventory, whether that means we're looking at some decreasing pricing. So if you have questions about Boulder County area, Denver metro area, whether it's Jefferson, Adams, let me know. Be happy to put together kind of analysis of either your individual home or your neighborhood, just give you a kind of a feel for it. Or if you know someone who might be considering selling, there might be some opportunities here as we move toward fall, depending on the area. So some people just have to move. We'd love to help you or someone you know. Feel free to share this video or like it, and or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would love to get more information out to you, other videos that might be helpful for you or people you know. Thanks so much. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.